Hi guys, I need a way to mark the centre in some discs or circular items, plastic plates as it happens. So I'm going to make myself up a little tool. This is some scrap plywood, as you can see. I've measured the length along there, which happens to be 226 millimeters, but that's irrelevant. I've then drawn a line, or at least measured up here, exactly the same distance, and measured up here exactly the same distance, cut the surplus off from that end, and drawn a line in red, as you can see, from that corner to that corner. Now, if I now glue some more bits of wood up at right angles along those edges, any circular item that we place in there and push up against the corner, that red line will indicate the centre. So you do it one way and then you turn it and do it again, and you'll have two lines or two marks showing you where the centre should be. Now obviously this isn't perfect because we really want a gap all the way up there, but I'm just hoping there'll be enough spaces there that we should be able to find the centre on most of the things that I want. So I'm going to glue the wood along the edges. That's the first piece of scrap wood glued in place. I'm just using super glue. I've put masking tape on my table so that even if it glues itself to the masking tape, I can just pull it off the table. So we'll leave that to dry for a few minutes, and then I'll put the other piece up on this side. I've deliberately allowed it to overlap the end there so that this piece will butt up against it. So we should get a good right angle there all the way round. That's the other side glued in place. I do need to redraw that line on the outside. It's no good on the inside there. And then, well, we can try it out. Need to find the centre so we can put a hole through. So I've just knocked up this square, I suppose you could call it. The idea is from that point to that point will be the centre of any circle. So with two edges there, if I put something in there, then draw a line along that red line, and then turn it and draw another line, I should be marking exactly where the centre is. So if I put a dot there and a dot there and join those lines together, turn it round, dot there and a dot there. Right, so if I drill a hole in the middle of that lot, that should be the centre, or as close as I'm going to get by that sort of approximation.